Hi and welcome to It's Terreana. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. Today I'm going to do a natural hair tutorial. Probably most of it is going to be voiceover because everybody is home, so we all know how that goes. So if the sound is a little off, just bear with it. Bear with me. Hope you guys are doing well today and dealing with all the craziness going on. My hair is pretty much dry right now. I'm gonna do a ponytail, but I'm gonna do a twist out ponytail. I'll let you guys know what products I'm using as I go along. If I happen to forget, I will just put it down below. So let's go ahead and get started. My hair is sectioned off right now, which I'm going to take it out of these sections, and I'm going to go ahead and start moisturizing my hair and applying my gel. If I don't drop it. The products I'm going to use today is kind of a mixture of what I have just around the house right now. I'm going to use my water bottle to keep my hair nice and moisturized while I do this. I'm going to be using the Main Choice Daily Hair Dressing. And I'm going to also be using the Main Choice Biotin Infused Styling Gel. And then I have some of the Curls Creme Brulee Whipped Curling Cream. And for gels, I have, besides the Biotin gel, I have the Schwarzkopf Got to Be Glued. This is for my edges and to kind of slick everything down and make it nice and sleek. Then I also have my handy dandy trusty Eco Styler gel. This is the olive oil version. Oh yeah, and also I have perm rods for the end of my hair. I am gonna go ahead and put my hair in a ponytail. The craziness begins.
No, Luke! That's what you're going to do, Luke!
I have it in these sections so I could detangle. Okay, I'm going to start by moisturizing with the Daily Hair Dressing by Main Choice. I'm going to take my boar bristle brush and just smooth my edges down. Then I'm going to take my ponytail holder and tie that around if I don't drop it. Trying not to be too tight on my edges, but I'm going to end up taking this out and making it looser anyway. Now I'm going to apply some Eco Styler gel. It's a brand new bottle and I'm struggling big time.
Big time!
Right.
You heard me! Big time!
Okay, got that open. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on the perimeter of my hair as well. And then I'm just gonna smooth it out with my brush a bit. I'm going to take the Got to Be and then put this just on my edges. And now I'm going to tie my scarf around. This is going to make everything nice and smooth. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the ponytail out. My scarf is all red because I just colored my hair. So there's still some color transfer. Just pulling down the top so that we can style all the rest of this hair. Okay, so I have all this hair to style now. Whew. I'm gonna go ahead and give my hair just a light spray. Concentrating that on the ends. Then I'm going to go in with my Curls Creme Brulee, concentrating this as well on the ends. Now that that's all in there, I'm going to go ahead and focus on sections, and then we're going to just use 2 products for that. So I'm going to kind of just break this up into 4 large sections. And then I'm going to put the ponytail holder to move those out the way. I have 4 sections, and I'm going to break this up into subsections. I'm going to go ahead and start on the back, and then I'll be right back to explain everything I did. Alright, I'm back. I finished the back of my hair, and now I'm ready to move on to the front. I'm going to start by subsectioning this section. Take a small piece here, about that size. Then I'm going to pin this away. Spray this section with some water, concentrating on the ends. Now I'm going to add some of the Main Choice Daily Hair Dressing and smooth that through, making sure I focus on the ends. And with this stuff, you really want to rub it in your hands. Now I'm going to take some of the Main Choice Bio-Infused Styling Gel and rub that through, also focusing on the ends. After smoothing the products into the hair, then I'm going to take my Denman brush and detangle a little bit more. Now I'm going to do a 2-strand twist. Making sure that it's nice and tight. I'm just smoothing down the twist, taking out any extra product. So this is how much I'm going to leave off the ends. Then I'm going to take a perm rod. I'm using the gray ones just because that's what I picked up. Taking one of these and then putting it on the ends. So I'm just going to wrap the hair around, making sure it's nice and smooth, and then roll that up. Just like that. Alright, taking another subsection, pinning this portion away, spritzing with a little bit of water, making sure we concentrate on the ends. Now I'm taking the Daily Hair Dressing by the Main Choice, making sure to rub that within my fingers, smoothing it on the hair, making sure to concentrate on the ends, then taking the Main Choice Gel, the Bio-Infused Styling Gel, rub that through. Now I'm going to take my Denman brush and smooth that product through even more. Now I'm going to 2-strand twist. Smoothing out any extra product. Now I'm going to leave off the ends and put a perm rod there. So that is pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, and then I'm going to let it dry, and then I will be back to show you guys the final result. This is what my hair looks like all done. I'll see you guys when it's all dry. I'm back. Got my bonnet on. Okay, so my hair has been sitting like this overnight. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and take out the twist and the perm rods and see what we're working with. Okay, so these are all out. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off also. So as you can see, I have my ponytail holder on that I added last night, and everything is pretty much slicked back. So now I'm going to use a little bit of Marrakesh oil. I'm going to start from the back, and I'm just going to take the twists out and separate them a little bit. I don't really spend a lot of time with taking my twist out. As long as my hair is completely dry, I don't really deal with too much frizz. I do try and just take them out somewhat gently, but nothing too crazy. So far so good. This combination really allowed my hair to be really nice and shiny. It's not super crunchy or anything like that, so that's nice. Okay, so I took out the first initial twist. Now I'm going to add a little bit more oil to my hands, and then I'm going to go through and separate even more. I'm not going to separate them too much, maybe just 2 or 3 times. Then I'm just spinning up the ends just to make sure that it keeps shape. just about done separating. So now I'm gonna take my pick and just fluff. Making sure I lift the roots. If you don't have a pick, you could take a comb too. It works just as good. I'm gonna separate just a few more pieces because I want this to be nice and full, but throughout the week it'll get bigger and bigger. This is the final look, you guys. With this style, you can definitely do a full head of twist out, but I like to do a ponytail version because when I wear my natural hair, I really don't like the ends rubbing on my shoulders, so I normally keep my hair up. I'm normally a wash and go girl, but right now I have a lot of time to be at home, so I have time to allow my hair to dry. So twist out is what it is right now. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Also, my website, itsterreana.com. Stay safe and healthy. Bye, guys.